And sticking on this topic, I think this is the last one on this particular topic. Epic Games has announced that Fortnite will no longer be playable on Mac OS. So you and I were wondering this. We're thinking, well, on Mac OS, you can install whatever you want, right? Because obviously they have the ongoing beef with Apple over the App Store and the App Store treatment of Fortnite. We thought that you would be okay on Mac OS. It turns out not so much because of the termination of the developer account. As Epic states, Apple is preventing Epic from signing games and patches for distribution on Mac, which ends our ability to develop and offer Fortnite, Save the World for the platform, specifically our upcoming V14.20 release. It'll cause bugs for players on 13.4, resulting in a very poor experience since we are no longer able to sign updates and release fixes for these issues beginning September 23rd, 2020. Fortnite Save the World will no longer be playable on Mac OS. Now, I was reading some of the comments here. I don't know that it's necessarily impossible for them to continue to support the game on Mac OS because you can install whatever you want on Mac OS. And it might be harder as far as publishing updates and things like this, but if they wanted to make the app available on their website that you would download and then turn off trusted sources on your Mac, they could probably do it with a bit more of a headache. However, this paints the picture better for them. Right. That like they're trying to make this case that Apple is this overarching, heavy-handed, 1984 dominant. Yeah. I mean, they're not the only ones trying to make the case right now. There's many trying to make the case.
The big bad bully.
Yeah. And so if you were going to do that, you'd say, look, even Mac OS, they made our lives difficult and now we can't publish easily over there.
Right.
But I don't think it's to the same degree or with the same force that they can apply to the App Store on mobile or that they're willing to apply, because they will, of course, still let you install things that aren't from official sources or don't come via the Mac App Store. I do it all the time. If I'm using Mac, I always go turn that thing off right away, trusted sources. It's like on Android where you have to turn on untrusted sources. Like, I'm okay with installing this application. Mac still gives you that opportunity for now. Although, who knows? Maybe they close that down in the future.
Yeah, who knows?
It's quite possible.